In a circle of radius 10 centimeter, find the distance of a chord of length 16 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay, please pay attention. The radius of the circle has been given as 10 centimeter. R equals to 10 centimeter. Find the distance of a chord. The length of the chord. You can see now the length of the chord. Is equals to 16 centimeter. So if I want to draw the diagram, the diagram is going to look like this. This is the circle. Are you getting it? This is the radius. This is the chord. Are you getting it? So the radius is 10 centimeter. This will also be what? 10 centimeter. So you are looking for the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So if the chord is here, the distance will be somewhat here. Are you getting it? So if you want the length of the chord has been given as 16 centimeter. So how do you determine the distance between the center of the center of the circle from the chord? How do you determine this distance? Now, if you draw a triangle, let's bring out the triangle. You see, if the total length here is 16 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeter, you know, if I cut the line into half, this will be what? 8, and this will be 8. You understand? This will be 8 centimeter, and this will also be what? 8 centimeter. So if I want to get this distance, I can make use of Pythagoras theorem. Do you understand? If you didn't understand, listen to the explanation again. We are given that in a circle, the radius is 10 centimeter. Are you getting it? And we are asked to find the distance of the chord of length 16 centimeter from the center of the circle. So the chord is here. The distance of the chord from the center of the circle is what we are looking for. And since we've been given that the length of the chord is 16 centimeter, I bring out this triangle. I bring it out. So if the line comes, the distance of the chord from the center of the circle, I represent it as this line. You understand? And if the line cuts the chord into 2 equal parts, and because the chord is 16 centimeter, half of it will be 8 centimeter. Are you getting it? So I can use Pythagoras theorem to solve for the distance, because I'm going to have something like this. This is 8 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. And we are looking for this. Do you understand? So using Pythagoras theorem, this is the opposite side, you know. This is the hypotenuse side. So the opposite side will be equals to the difference of the square of the hypotenuse, which is what? 10 squared minus 8 squared. Do you understand? According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared is equals to opposite squared plus adjacent squared. Do you understand? So for this now, the opposite is what we are looking for. Opposite squared will be equals to hypotenuse squared minus adjacent squared. Do you understand? Okay, so I just interchange this. So x squared, which is the opposite, is equals to 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 64. Do you understand? So for this, I'm going to have x squared is equals to 100. Oh, 100 minus 64 is 36. So I'm going to have 36 here. Do you get it? So x is equals to square root of 36. Equals to what? 6 centimeters. So the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 6 centimeters.